guys, this is Lin from Changzhou Jasmine Packaging Company. Today we will introduce different packing weights for our atomizers. For these three boxes, they are gift box. You can see this one, it is drawer box. You can see. And for this box, we can put one atomizers inside. And this one is our common box. It has two parts. And for this one, we can put two atomizers inside. And this is our magnetic box. When we open it, we can hear click sound. You can see. Because there is a magnetic inside. And for this box, we can put three atomizers inside. They are our gift box, and they are very hot and beautiful. The MOQ is 1,000 pieces. For these boxes, we can customize different colors, like this white, black, blue, pink, any different colors we also can do for you. You just need to prevent Pantone number for us. And we also can print the logo here, and more information also can be printed. And we also can customize the sizes for different atomizers inside. For example, this box we can put one atomizers inside, and we also can customize the size for the whole atomizers and the inner glass bottle inside. It just depends on your requirement. And we also can customize the size for our filling tools like funnel and syringe on it. For the second type, it is soft box. It is different from this hard box. It is paper box. It can be folded like this. For this dark blue one, we can put the whole atomizers inside. And for this black one, we can put inner glass bottle inside. You can see. So if you choose this paper box, it can help you save the shipping cost for you. And we also can customize the logo printing on it. You can see this one, the logo color is shining gold, and this one, the logo color is white. And for this paper box, the MOQ is 1,000 pieces. For third type, this is our bubble mailer. For this one, it is matte black. We also can do shiny black, so we also can do matte and shiny different colors. And black is our common colors, but we also can customize different colors for you. You just need to prevent Pantone number for us. And we also can customize different sizes and print the logo on it. Normally, the MOQ also is 5,000 pieces, but we also can provide the small quantity of our common sizes without logo printing for you. For next type, it is a paper tube. Most of our customers will choose this type paper tube to put the inner glass bottle inside, like this. But we also can customize the sizes for the whole atomizers inside. And we also can print the logo and more information on it. White is our common colors, and we also can customize different colors like pink, black, blue, any different colors we also can do for you. The MOQ is 1,000 pieces. For last type, it is velvet bag. You can see. For this one, we can put 5, 8, 10 millimeter inside. You can see. Like this. It is very easy. And we also can print the logo on it. We also can customize different sizes to put 15 and 20 millimeter inside. And we also can customize different colors, black, white, pink, and different colors we also can do for you. The MOQ is 1,000 pieces, but we also can provide small quantity of our common sizes without logo printing for you. Thanks for your watching, guys. If you're interested in our products, you can follow us here. And here is our videos. In later days, we also will up more videos. Bye.